I got my floating deck joists laid out here. They're each set 18 inches apart, and I cut out a bunch of these rolls, which are like rubber sort of, I don't know, stuff you get for like a garage mat. I got a 4 by 10 foot roll, and I just been cutting out thin strips of this, and this stuff will go underneath each of these floating joists, both to protect the underlying EPDM membrane, because these things, will sort of wiggle around and move as people walk, and they could wear weaknesses in it over time. And also this little diamond pattern here should help keep water from sitting under these joists and drain off a bit easier. So these float not only on the deck, but on each of these little bumps. So, and then we'll fill in the rest of this deck with the remaining boards. We'll stain the boards, which I've got some of the boards are getting stained now. So once those start drying, we will get those up here and get them installed.
Probably the most tedious part of this whole process is just getting all of these deck boards screwed into the joists. I have a zillion of these little brass screws, and I got varying lengths so that as I move up the joist triangle, that is from the thicker to the thinner side, I can use slightly shorter screws so that I don't accidentally screw in too far and pierce the rubber underneath. For these deck boards in the center, I need to cut out little notches to wrap around the center railing post. Gotta cut this one short, unfortunately. I lost some of the video that I took while making this floor, but I think it looks pretty good. I really like this brownish reddish stain color that I put on the deck boards, and I like how it's coming together. So we'll get to see more of the complete picture in some of the subsequent videos where I install the pergola and the gutters. Thanks for watching. See you next time.